All right, guys, part 10 on the Focus ST. It's pretty much completely done. There's two parts I haven't got from Ford yet. That sucks. So it is what it is. I'm not going to be able to sell it till I get them. One of them's a national back order, so who knows? So this thing might be hanging around for a while. But I did smoke the taillights as well. I wanted to shoot a video on that, but I didn't. I didn't do it because I got that second coronavirus vaccine shot, and it's kicking my ass. I just didn't have it in me to even look at the camera, you know. It's one of them deals. I still feel rough as toast, and it's been 4 days, so I don't know what's going on. But here's the car. It's pretty much done. I can't remember what I say last time. Wheels, yeah, I painted the wheels, so you guys probably saw that. I painted the taillights, and what I mean by painted them was I took them out, I sanded them back, 800 grit, dry sanded them, mixed up some clear coat, 4-to-1. I put in some black base coat, reduced it 15%, shook it up a little, and then I just sprayed, or I just basically clear coated them. And it's very, very translucent. So like when you put your first coat on, you can barely even see it change. And then your second coat, it gets a little darker. And then I put 3 coats on this, and I mixed it very, very weak. So it took 3 coats to get this color, and this isn't very dark at all. This is, I mean, I intentionally did that. I wanted a very subtle change back here. I don't want them smoked like, you know, like black. I just don't think that looks good. But these were extremely bright from Ford, so they just needed a little something. So that's what I did. And if you wanted to, you know, have darker ones, you just put a little more black base in, and then 3 coats would get you a much darker color. But yeah, so if you're trying to do that or whatever, and yeah, obviously I did both of them. Let's see, what else? Yeah, everything else is kind of put back together. I did give it a bit of a wash. Yeah, the bonnet's on it there. All the plastics are on, the wheel liners, all the plastics underneath, everything's on. And then the badge, that's about a month since I've ordered it. And he says that's coming, but the one thing that I can't get is the fog light wiring harness. So there's nothing I can do. Nobody has one. And I've been searching junkyards and they don't have one, and yeah. I don't even know what to do other than just make my own, which I'd rather just. It's only $35 from Ford. I thought I had one ordered, and then it came and it was totally for the wrong. It was for a different car. So they just sold me the wrong thing, or they sent me the wrong thing, I guess. When I was putting the hood on, I broke a stud in the hood. So yeah, these studs, there you go. So there should be 2 studs here and 2 10mm nuts. Well, you know, stupid me. I didn't run a thread chaser on them, but I did run a nuts up and down on the studs before I put it on, and it seemed fine, but when I went to install it, it snapped this bottom stud. So I had to drill it out, put a riv nut in it, and then put a torque in it. And because my OCD is insane, I did the same on this side, and there was still 2 studs there. I just wanted it to look the same. So I give myself about another hour's worth of work just because of my OCD. And of course, when you're drilling, you got to make sure you don't come out here and you know, damage your freshly painted frickin' bonnet, you know? So that sucked. Yeah, I went to throw the hood on, and yeah, it's like 20 minutes, half an hour to line it up. No, it was like 5 hours, because I broke a stud. Stupid shit. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, like I said, I washed it. It's not great. I give it a quick wash and vacuumed it. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Oh, I wiped the trims down with like a trim cleaner. So it looks pretty good. No more parts in it, so that's always a good sign, you know. And you get all your bits and pieces out of it. Yeah, there you go. Not a single part. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I've been driving around the neighborhood too. It's nice. It's a nice little car. Makes lots of nice noises. And there's our color match. I know it's a lot cleaner now than it was when I first did that. But I've looked at this thing every which way in the sun, and I cannot tell a difference. So I'm not going to blend that door. I mean, there's no need to make work for yourself. And then, yeah, so this is the only other body work I might do to it. This previous owner or whatever tried to fix this, and he did a shitty job. So I might pull that bumper off, fix that, put a little tiny bit of paint right here. I wouldn't even go close to that edge. I'd probably just blow it down this way, and then re-clear the bumper, And yeah, it's pretty much done then. So yeah, that's it, guys. I really whoa, I really do feel like ass. So I don't really have I don't really have it in me today, but I just wanted to get that like final little walk around video out. And yeah, maybe we'll do a burnout video. Somebody was asking me for a burnout video, so maybe we'll do that too. But yeah, that's it. Last part on this one. Like I said, I can't really sell it till I get that fog light harness. It is what it is. Yeah, I can't find one anywhere. So if you see this video and you have one of those, email me. I'll buy it from you. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.